I have been circling this little item for a while now. I shop Disney and I finally got it. It's a Star Wars crock pot, and it's a smaller crock pot, and I have washed it, unpacked it, washed it, and I'm just going to do something really simple tonight for its maiden voyage. I'm just going to use Little Smokies and some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce and warm those up. It makes a great quick appetizer for any time. Actually, you can use those for parties or just when you come home and you're really hungry and want something kind of quick. So this is what we're going to do. So this makes a great little appetizer for any time of year, but since we're doing Christmas in July, I thought this would be a really neat thing to set up for Christmas in July, and a suggestion for an appetizer for when you're in a big hurry. It's just, again, Little Smokies. I use beef cocktail weenies and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can use other flavors if you want, but it's quick and it makes a really nice quick appetizer for Christmas anytime. Company that drops in, just anything you need it for. So I used about a half bottle of the Sweet Baby Ray's, poured it directly over the cocktail Smokies, and I think I'm in a little more of a hurry. I'm going to turn this on high so it heats up by the time we get ready to eat a little bit before supper as an appetizer. But again, this would be great for Christmas. A lot of people do this recipe for Christmas just because it is very good. It's kind of a crowd pleaser and it's quick and easy. I would normally just depending on how soon you need it to be warm, it has off, low, high, and warm settings. And so just setting it to high for right now. Gonna watch it kind of closely. This is the first time I've used it, and see how quickly it heats these as an appetizer before dinner. I hope you've enjoyed this quick recipe. Our family really likes it, and the Star Wars crock pot is very versatile. It would make a nice gift. It is only $19.99 on Shop Disney, and I bought it during a free shipping event. So watch for those opportunities to save extra money. Merry Christmas in July, y'all! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and come hang out with us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Till the spire, travelers, and hurry back!